What up? Today, we went to Jasper Engines and Transmissions in Jasper, Indiana. They do this every so often, fly in people in the sales side or owners or whatever that have to do with selling their vehicles, or not their vehicles, but their engines, transmissions, differentials, you know, all of their products. And it's my turn. I've never been, so it's gonna be fun. So we're gonna go hop on a plane out of Calera, Alabama. Let's go take off and see what we find.
There's something in the air.
All in all a good trip. I enjoyed that. Joe, Nick, our local reps treated us well. I believe Andrea was our tour guide for the day. All of the facilities are pretty impressive, honestly. I did not know they had that many facilities. I did not know they had that many employees or that many of anything, honestly. So pretty cool. If you're in the Tuscaloosa area, you need a remanufactured engine, transmission, differential, that kind of thing, hit us up. crutchfieldauto.com. You can come by the shop, Old Montgomery Highway. We'll catch you on the next one.